amiable, amiable, amiable. This word means a person who is kind and good-natured. Someone who has pleasant, friendly, and likable character. Let's use amiable in a sentence. I love studying with my teacher because she is so amiable. Let's have another example. My cousin's boyfriend seemed amiable. Do you want some more? Here it is. We are surprised at how amiable and polite their employees are. And our last example is, please choose an amiable partner. Bountiful, bountiful, bountiful. This word means large in quantity or abundant. Let's use bountiful in a sentence. We had a bountiful harvest last month. Let's have another example. I received bountiful gifts from my family and friends on my birthday. Do you want some more? Here it is. Let's praise God for the bountiful blessings He gave us. And our last example is, relax and enjoy the bountiful buffets in that hotel. Compassionate, compassionate. This word means feeling or showing sympathy and concern for others. Let's use compassionate in a sentence. My compassionate friend donated half of her yearly salary to local charities. Let's have another example. I received bountiful birthday gifts from my compassionate family and friends. Do you want some more? Here it is. Let's praise God for giving us compassionate sponsors. And our last example is, compassionate people reach out to help those in need. Delectable, delectable, delectable. This word means delicious. Let's use delectable in a sentence. I'm so stressed today. I want to eat a delectable food. Let's have another example. I really like that restaurant. They serve various kinds of delectable foods. Do you want some more? Here it is. To attract more customers, we should make our menus delectable. And our last example is, I'm craving for something delectable now. Elated, elated, elated. This word means extremely happy. Let's use elated in a sentence. He was elated on his wedding day. Let's have another example. They were elated at the result of the exam. Do you want some more examples? Here it is. Why are you so elated about going to that party? And our last example is, she was elated when she received a bouquet of flowers. Frugal, frugal, frugal. This word means careful in spending money. Let's use frugal in a sentence. Be more frugal with your expenses and you will never be in debt. Let's have another example. Being frugal made me save $40 on my electric bill this month. Here is our third example. Buying in bulk to save a few dollars is part of my frugal lifestyle. And our last example is, John, a frugal man, would cut his own hair to save money. Generous, generous, generous. This word means giving people more of your time or money larger than what is usual or necessary. Let's use generous in a sentence. James was very generous to the street children. Let's have another example. The doctors have been generous with their time and talents. Here is our third example. You gave your whole month's salary to the poor. That's very generous of you. And our last example is, the committee expressed thanks to everyone for their generous donation. Hilarious, hilarious, hilarious. This word means extremely amusing, very funny, entertaining. Let's use hilarious in a sentence. Do you know Tim? He's hilarious. Let's have another example. Linda found the whole situation hilarious. Here is our third example. You should read this book. It's hilarious. And our last example is, the party got quite hilarious after they brought more wine. Impeccable, impeccable, impeccable. This word means someone or something that is flawless. Let's use impeccable in a sentence. Your English is impeccable. Let's have another example. She had an impeccable taste in clothes. Here is another example. Her work is executed with impeccable taste. And our last example is, he was dressed in a suit and an impeccable white shirt. Jovial, jovial, jovial. This word means cheerful and friendly. Let's use jovial in a sentence. She was in a jovial mood. Let's have another example. Jasmine's friends know her most for her jovial spirit. Here is another example. I miss going out with my jovial friends. And our last example is, my children are so jovial.